Here is part one reason of why I love living in Virginia. So I'm seeing a lot of new faces and I just want to reintroduce myself and my family. Hi, my name is Shanice and I was born in Kingston, Jamaica and grew up in Montego Bay. When I turned 9, my mother shipped me off in a barrel to my mom. I'm kidding, I didn't come in a barrel. I flew on a plane. My mom shipped me off to New York City to live with my dad. So basically, fresh off of the farm, you have a country girl in a big city. So up until my teenage years, my dad decided he's going to move me and the family all the way to Virginia. I literally bawled my eyes out. Now imagine a country girl raised in the city, get me heels, living the city life. And then you tell me, say, yeah, move me back a country. Not only that, I was fed and told that Virginia, the South, was racist. So I was freaking out. I was like, how are you going to move me up from my city life to the middle of nowhere? Like, no, I didn't have a choice. I was a teenager. So anyways, I moved to Virginia, y'all. And when I tell you it was the best decision that my dad